Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold hurdled over the $2,000 mark, buoyed by expectations that the Federal Reserve had reached an interest rate peak after minutes from the US Central Bank's latest meeting anchored a cautious approach to rate hikes. The dollar index was on pace to stem the tide of its recent downturn, after minutes from the Federal Reserve's most recent policy meeting showed the US Central Bank was likely to maintain a restrictive stance on interest rates for some time. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, was criminally charged with breaking sanctions and money transmitting laws and agreed to pay $4.3 billion to settle the allegations in one of the largest penalties the US has ever obtained from a corporate defendant.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 13:30 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence AGE will be released at 05:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 hours GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.